We're up here near Owen Sound, and just going to do a little exploring around Inglis Falls. Just trying to get some full footage with the camera, mic on. So let's see what we get from that. Making our way down here. Ooh, there we go. It's also freezing cold up here. Ugh. You don't want to walk off the back of that, that's for sure. Wow. That would suck. Do that in the middle of the night. Also not wearing the best shoes. Oh, here's a shot. Look at that. Just coming up to the bridge across the river. So you can see the river comes that way. What else can we see over here? Go up this dam up here. Pathway that way. I wonder if it does a loop and comes back to that. Yeah, look into that. Well, I mean, don't ask me. I won't go on the dam. That's nice. I just control how much water goes through by lowering these down. Walk just up the river a bit, see if there's anything kind of cool cedar forest part right here. See if there's anything we can see up this way. Oh, the ducks are flying away. We're scaring the wildlife. think we'll head back now. It's good, nice little quick stopping. Beautiful falls. Like, I've been up here for when the falls are in the winter. Please see the other videos below. I haven't really filmed here in the summertime, but I mean, usually this place is like a tourist trap, I feel. So coming up in the fall, there's like no one here. It's dead quiet. It's great. All right, let's head back and see what's going on. Yeah, there's nice trails back up in here. I never even knew of it. Discovering all this stuff around here. Beautiful. Alright guys, well, that's about it for this one. Thanks for watching. Please like, click, share, and all that stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.